we've had to introduce new team members in our own organization. Forward deployed engineering wasn't a term I was using a year ago, but now we've got forward deployed engineers that were supporting customers like Databricks. We were spending about 4 to 6 weeks sort of developing and then rolling that out. Any other data points that you can share just in terms of how this is scaling across the go-to-market team?
I think when you're building AI, one mistake is to just build it in an ivory tower and then put it out there. You got to get feedback across,
Yeah.
all of your stakeholders. Otherwise, they just won't use it. They'll just go back to doing things the way they used to doing it. So I think part of what we're trying to do is truly understand and have empathy for the work that the field teams are doing, mapping those out, and then figuring out where do we infuse, all of the agentic things that can help them, right? So based on our data platform and the agents capabilities you can build on Databricks, coupled with your forward deployed engineers and the repository of intelligent data around our customers, bringing those worlds together, I think we were able to really map out a very specific process, right? That has a very specific output in a very specific part of our sales cycle. And that now is something that we can scale. Whereas before, if we just had like these general tools, you can send a prompt to somebody, but how they're going to use it, when they're going to use it, it kind of depends. But now we can track like, hey, are you reaching out to your customer and showing them the value of moving your data estate into a lakehouse and what outcomes you can lock? And the business outcomes were critical. So that's something that, we try to focus on is don't modernize just for the sake of modernizing. You want to modernize because there's business value, right? And so if we
Yeah.
got clear about that, and that's what our teams worked on, the intelligent data we can get now, coupled with unlocking your siloed data, those are becoming powerful tools for this wave of AI.